This is TITP Group 6. Our mini project is an e commerce website for men and women clothing products. When a user visits the website, he first views the home page. There's a nav bar at the top to help the user navigate through the website. The website have three sides: customer side, seller side, admin side. First, we will see the customer side. You can log in as a customer using login page. If you are not registered as a customer, you can sign up using sign up page. After registration as a customer, you can search, view, cart, and buy a product. Also, you can see your email ID and your cart in navbar instead of login and sign up options. Now let's see how you can find the product. On the home page, you can see a carousel of top 10 new men and women clothing products. You can also shortlist a category like hoodie for specific gender by selecting it from navbar. You can find a product by typing on the search bar. You will be taken to the search result page where you can see the products having search query in their label. You can view any product by clicking on them. You will be taken to a page where you can see the details of the product. You can see the label, the category, the options to cart or buy, the name of the seller selling the product. Now, in our website, a product has different sizes. You can select your size. Accordingly, it shows if the selected size is in stock or not. If the available quantity is less than or equal to 10, it will show currently X items are available. Different sizes can have different prices, so the price tag changes accordingly. Now let's cart 4 products. You can increase or decrease quantity of the products and also remove them. When you increase a product's quantity more than what is available, it shows currently X items are available and will prompt you to decrease the quantity when you try to pay. So select a valid quantity and proceed. In order summary, you get shown a summary of your order. Select an address to deliver at, and if no address is created, you will need to create one. Now click on the pay button. A payment form pops up where you can select your means of payment. We will pay using net banking. When the payment is done, a receipt is generated listing the bought products, shipping charges, and address to be delivered at. After the payment, the cart is emptied. Click on the orders history page to view all the details about the orders you made. You can also access this page from navbar. Here you can see what you ordered, the size, the price, the shipping price, quantity, deliver status, order date, delivery date, and finally the address selected. You can add or remove address from the address page. You can change password if needed. If in case of any problem, you can contact the admin using contact us form. Let's check if we got the email or not. So we have received the email. Now we will see the seller side. If you are not registered as a seller, you can sign up using sign up page, or else you can log in as a seller using login page. As a seller, you have the authority to create, search, edit, and delete your products. You can receive orders on your products and also track their sales. On the dashboard, you can see your seller email ID, the options for the seller on the left tab, the number of products you have made, the number of orders pending, the number of orders completed, and your total income from the sales. In orders pending tab, there is a table of all the pending orders. Just now we have ordered 3 items. Those 3 items were listed by this seller, so those get shown here with their order ID. First name of the customer, last name of customer, product ordered, size selected, quantity bought, the order date, the address selected, the price, and the delivery status. You can change the delivery status accordingly and it gets updated in customer's orders history page. You can search for a pending order using search bar. When delivered option is selected, the delivery is completed and is removed from here and moved to orders completed tab. In orders completed tab, you can see all the orders which you have delivered with the delivery date. You can search for a completed order using search bar. Inventory tab is the main crux of the seller side. Here you can create, search, edit and delete a product. To add an item, click on add item button. Fill in the details of the product like image, label, category, description and respective quantity and prices of each size. Click on create. The product is now published on the website. You can also edit the details of the product by clicking on edit button. You can also delete the products. On the analytics tab, there are two graphs. In sales graph, you can choose any of your product and see its sales. You can choose all to see all the sales. You can also choose the time span of the sales like last 7 days, 28 days or 90 days. Now in gender graph, the gender ratio of the customers on our website is shown. On hovering, you can see the quantity of men and women. This graph will help the seller to know the majority of the customers on a website and accordingly create a product for better sales. On change password tab, you can change your password. The website is also responsive. Now you can log out. Let's log in as the customer and see the updates done by the seller. So in the carousel, we can see a new product which the seller made, and in the orders history, we can see the delivery status is changed to delivered. Now you can log out. Now we will see the admin side. When we log in, we can see different database tables like users, sellers, customers, products, orders, customer addresses, and cards. The admin has the authority to manage customers and sellers and the data related to them. Click on the table to see the details of the table. And finally, we will log out. Thank you.